Let's solve this encode and decode strings Leetcode problem in 60 seconds or less. So the problem is giving us a list of strings, and our objective is to turn that list into a single string that can be sent across a network and then be reconstructed later. So the hard part about this is figuring out when one string ends and when another starts, or when it begins. And my approach will be to store the length of each string followed by a delimiter and then the string itself. So it's time to code this up. So I'll first create a empty result string and then loop through every string in that list, and for every string I'll append its length, a hashtag delimiter, and the string itself. And once found, I'll encode everything and I'll just return the result. Now it's time to move on to the decode. We'll need to create a result list and start at the index 0, and then find the hashtag that is separating the length from the actual string. Then once found, I can grab the length and then use that length to extract the following or extract the string that follows, and then finally move my pointer to the start of the next encoded string, and this is going to be repeated until I process my entire encoded message. So hopefully you found this helpful. Like and follow for more.